Did you know your body has a secret fat that actually burns other fat for you? Most people have no idea this exists. There's a special type of fat called brown fat that works like a tiny furnace inside your body. Unlike regular fat that just sits there, brown fat is packed with tiny power plants that burn calories to make heat. Here's the crazy part. Scientists used to think only babies had this fat, but new research shows adults keep large amounts around their neck, shoulders, and back. When this brown fat turns on, it can burn an extra 400 calories every day without any exercise. People with more active brown fat have better blood sugar and weigh less. But most of us accidentally turn off this fat-burning machine. Wearing too many clothes, avoiding cold air, sitting all day, and sleeping poorly all shut down brown fat activity. The simple fix: let yourself feel cold sometimes. Take cooler showers, turn down the heat, and get better sleep. Your body's hidden furnace will start burning fat for you again.